If you've been in crypto for a while, you know the pattern. Projects launch with massive hype only to fade away in days. But every now and then, something real comes along, something with actual staying power. That's where Polyway comes in. This isn't just another token that pumps one day and disappears the next. Polyway is built on solid fundamentals. It is designed to reshape the prediction and interactive event market with real utility. We have seen countless tokens launch with big promises only to see massive drops from their peaks. If we talk about Pepe, it dropped 85% from its peak. Trump dropped 85% from its peak. Melania dropped 85%. Dogviv had dropped to about 82%. Bonk crashed 90%. Now, why does this happen? These projects often lack real world utility. They rely purely on hype but have no long term foundation. Polyway is different. At the heart of the Polyway ecosystem is their official platform, which is a groundbreaking platform for creating and participating in prediction markets. Now, this is not just about taking part in events, it is about customizing your own and earning commissions. They offer full transparency. All outcomes are validated by a decentralized UMA oracle. You can create your own events, predict trends in sports, politics, weather, entertainment, or even personal challenges. We have automated and fair payouts thanks to the smart contracts, which ensures transparency. Take Poly Market, which handles over $2 billion in monthly trading volume. Now imagine that Polyway offers even more, allowing you to not only participate but also create and profit from events. This is a next level innovation that hasn't been done before. Examples of public predictions like who will win the next presidential election, will it snow in Dubai this year, which TV series character will meet their fate next. You can set predictions on anything. Example of a personal challenge on Polyway will be about debating with your friends if Jack can jump to the second floor, competing on who can eat the spiciest wings in 5 minutes, who will hit 1,000 TikTok followers first. You can create an event, you can invite participants, and let the smart contracts handle the rest. Now, let's take a look at real cases. Similar to Web3 event driven platforms who have already shown massive growth. We have Rollbit, more than 70x. We have BoxBet, more than 250x, top from listing price. And Polyway is next in line to make waves in the industry. It has everything needed to become a market leader. Now imagine the possibilities. Anyone can launch their own Web3 event driven platform using Polyway's white label solution that is absolutely free. No development cost, everything is ready, just customize and launch. And your brand, your rules. Set your own margins, design your platform. No licensing or support cost. Everything is handled. You only pay 5 to 10% of profits in PLW tokens. This is a game-changing way to monetize Web3. You can build your own platform with zero technical knowledge. It is free to start. You have unlimited earning potential. And beyond Polyway, the ecosystem includes other platforms like we have an interactive prediction platform. We have NFT mechanics and tokenomics. We have additional revenue streams for PLW holders. The predictions market, like Poly Market, is launching on Q4 of 2025 in this year. And it isn't just one product, it is an entire ecosystem that is powered by a DAO for Web3 predictions. And the most exciting part is the PLW token. 35% of profits from all ecosystem projects, PLW holders receive a share of revenue from Polyway, from event hosting and white label platforms. Then we also get governance right. So token holders can decide which new products Polyway should develop and submit their own ideas. New projects equal new earnings. I think that's pretty straightforward. The community will always receive 35% or more of profits from all future Polyway developments. Now, this is something truly groundbreaking. Every holder gets a stake in the entire Polyway economy. I don't think this is an opportunity that comes often. It is an emerging trend in crypto, and I still believe that we are early. There still hasn't been a lot of people who have noticed this. And currently we do have the pre-sale for the PLW token, which is a good opportunity to get in, before it actually launches. Usually we get a discount in these type of pre-sales, although I'm not suggesting you guys to participate in the pre-sale. If you want to do that, you have to make up your own mind. You have to make that decision on your own after you do your research and investigation. And I'll personally suggest that you take a look at the platform, because there's a lot of words that I can't say, like the G word and the B word, because of some restrictions from YouTube. So I would suggest you guys that you take a look at the website yourself, take a look at what it has to offer, the different platforms, because it's not just one platform, we have multiple platforms, and that's what makes this whole ecosystem. And we are possibly going to have more and more platforms, not just developed by Polyway itself, but we can have other people, develop it. So it is an expanded ecosystem, and that expanded ecosystem offers expanded utility for the PLW token, and that is where I think the strength is all coming from. So this is a token that is going to have utility, and that utility is going to continue to expand in the future as well. So it has something real backing it. There's always going to be revenue pouring in, which is going to solidify the token value, and that is something that we can capitalize on. So I'll suggest you guys that you do your own investigation and research, because nothing that I said in this video is, should be considered a financial or an investment advice. If you want more information, the links will be in the description, or you can ask me any question in the comment section about this, and I'll be happy to respond. But yeah, I think this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.